What would you say to a lock that you can unlock with your phone? Pretty sweet, right? What's up everybody, it's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day. And today I have the Klic Smart Padlock. This is a padlock that you can lock and unlock using your smartphone. How cool is that? Now I heard about these things before and kind of forgot about them until one day I was like shopping in Walmart, not sponsored, and I found this little bad boy on clearance for like $7. I think the retail price, yeah, here it is right here, $14.88. So $15, $7, I figured let's try it out. Let's see how cool this thing is. So we're gonna go ahead and crack open the box, see what we get in the box. But before I do that, give you a little info here. As I mentioned, it is Bluetooth. You can use it with your iPhone or your Android device. And it has a 6-month battery life. Once you get it charged up, the battery should last for up to 6 months. So that's pretty cool. So now we'll go ahead and crack it open. Okay, so we are inside now. And here's the box. Put that to the side there. Wow, I got stuff like falling all over the place. So here's your little instruction manual here. User guide. Shows you how to get this thing set up. One thing I forgot to mention too is that you can also set your own security code on here, so you don't necessarily have to use it with your phone. You can actually unlock it and lock it using a code, and I'm guessing that you're going to be able to set that code up on your smartphone. So instruction manual, put that down there. What else do we got here? Lucky, Nucky, cute. I don't know what that is. Never mind. All right. So here is the lock itself. Feels kind of sturdy. There it is right there. That's the lock. And there's right there where you can input your code in there. It's just got 1, 2, 3, 4, and your little slot right here to charge her up. And it looks like a power on and power off button. So you don't have to leave it on all the time, I guess. Interesting. And you got your little micro USB cord here for charging this thing up. Let's see if we got some juice in this. All right, so I'm gonna hit this little power button here. Oh, look, got a blinking light there. Sorry, can you see that? There you go. So we got a little blinking light, so it looks like we got some juice here. So I'm gonna grab my iPhone XR here. Just gonna use the XR. I have an Android device too, so don't send me any hate. I use them both. So I got the little Klic app there, if you can see that. And let's go ahead and open it up. Easy binding, bind the lock with a simple code scan. So this thing does have like a little QR code on the back there. So I'm guessing we're just gonna have to scan that. Easy unlocking, unlock via app or simply with the numeric keypad, even when your phone is not with you. Okay. Easy sharing, share the lock remotely with friends and family from anywhere in the world. How do you do that with Bluetooth? I don't know. Let's start. Okay, so now that we got our account all set up, I'm gonna go ahead and scan the QR code that's on the back of my lock here to get this all set up. It's asked me to name the lock. I'll just call it Klic Lock. Confirm. Bind success. It says allow Klic Lock to access your location while you're using the app. I don't know why, but let's do it. Okay, looks like we're in here and ready to go. So we got a lot of different functions in here. Now there's newer models that allows you to unlock this thing with your fingerprint. This is an older model, hence probably why it was, you know, on sale. Unlock. Hey, it unlocked. That is pretty cool. As mentioned too, you don't always have to use your smartphone. You can enter a code in here. Let's try and do that. And if you don't want to use your phone, all I have to do is just hit 1111 and it unlocks. Actually, no, I hit 1 only 3 times and it unlocked. Let's try it again. 111. Oh, I had to do 3 ones, but on here it said 4 numbers. Alrighty, okay. Okay, so a cool feature with this little Klic lock here is you can share it with friends and family. All you have to do is just go into the app and it gives you the opportunity to share your code with the friends so they'll be able to control this lock with their smart device as well. But they have to be in Bluetooth range, so just remember that. I'll probably be doing that with my Android phone, so I can do it with my iPhone or my Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. This is gonna come in really handy for me because I'll be able to control the lock with my phone, and then like if I'm not at home and someone needs to, you know, have access to whatever I'm using this lock on, I can give them the code and they'll be able to get in that way. Another cool thing too is that you can set your own code at any time. So if you only want to give someone temporary access to this lock, you can give them the code that you're currently using. Once they've gained access to whatever it is that you're locked this up with, or whatever it is that you're locked up, once that's all said and done, you'll be able to go into your phone, change the code. Then they won't have access anymore. That's pretty awesome. I think this is a pretty cool deal. If you guys are interested in checking it out or picking up one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can do that. This is an older model. Like I said, they have one now that has like fingerprint access. So if you want to check that one out, you can do that, or you could just keep your eyes peeled at your local department store to see if they have one of these on clearance. Like I did, kind of got lucky, $7. Think it's worth it. It's pretty cool. This video is not sponsored by Klic, and it's not sponsored by Walmart, where I picked it up from. Okay, if you guys like this video, do me a favor, give it a big old thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a big old thumbs down, but hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it. If you have any questions about this guy, hit me up, let me know. I'll try to answer any questions in the best of my ability. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. But don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. I'm gonna go and play around with my lock now. I think I'll charge it up a little bit and then I'll put this bad boy to use. And until I see you in the next video, this is PJ the Great saying Audi 5000G.
Hey, Santa. The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love